Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making easy souffle pancakes with just 2 eggs. We will start by separating the egg white and the egg yolk. After that, gently mix the egg yolks together. Then we add 4 tablespoons of milk and continue mixing. Next, we add 2 drops of vanilla gel. If you're using vanilla essence, add half teaspoon. Then we continue mixing. Next, we add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and we mix together. After mixing, it should look like this. Set aside, and then we move over to our egg white. Using a mixer, we will whisk our egg white on high while gently adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Continue whisking the egg white until it becomes very stiff. It should look like this after whisking. After that, we will transfer our egg white into the egg yolk, mix very well until it's properly incorporated. Transfer the egg mixture to a piping bag. Now for the fun part, place your frying pan on a medium-low heat, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, rub the oil around the pan using a serviette paper. Transfer the egg mixture to the pan, add according to the size of the pancake you want. Add few drops of water to the pan, cover to cook for 4 minutes on one side. After that, flip to cook the other side for another 4 minutes. Add few drops of water and cover to cook. Now that the both sides are cooked, take out. Repeat the process until you have exhausted all the egg mixture. Now you have made the fluffiest pancake ever. You can enjoy with any toppings of your choice or just as it is. You can also drizzle some honey or some maple syrup on it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support the channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. You can also check out the other videos in the channel. There is something for everyone. Let me know in the comment section if you will be recreating this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.